When you're at home, you want to enjoy being at home. Windows are your view of the outside. So whether it's raining outside or it's snowing outside or it's sunny outside, you can enjoy it with the view.
We actually looked at a lot of homes before we picked this house, and we fell in love with the layout, and we fell in love with the beautiful windows and being able to bring the outdoors inside.
The windows that we had prior to these, we enjoyed those windows when we first saw them, but we didn't obviously have anything to compare them to. Now that we have the new windows, we can see what we weren't seeing, if that makes any sense to you.
We have a big picture window, and Vince is usually the one that gets stuck by the window. We call that the hot seat because with the old windows, you would sit there, and especially in the afternoon when the sun was beaming in, he would get up and the back of his shirt would be sweaty from sitting in that seat, and we don't have that problem anymore.
I just really enjoy the beauty of the windows plus the quality of the windows and the construction.
I love the experience that we had because there was no pressure.
In some of our other encounters, we felt pressured to make a decision right on the spot. When somebody tries to do that, they don't want you to see somebody else's product because they may not necessarily believe that they will beat them. Between the painting and the replacing of the windows, probably cost us less to replace the windows than it did the last 20 years worth of all of the maintenance on the previous windows.
I can't wait to enjoy our home. I can't wait to be able to walk through the house and enjoy these windows.